Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we will problem with word problems of polygon. Yes, word problems of polygon. So let's see how problem questions can arise from polygon. So let's say question number one. Question number one says a regular polygon has a perimeter of 36 centimeter. This question says find the length. Find the length of each side. Find the length of each side. The perimeter of a regular polygon is 36 centimeter. Find the length of each side. So let's get into the solution straight away. So thinking about these questions, a regular polygon has a perimeter of 36 centimeter. Find the length of each side. So if it is a regular polygon, that tells that all sides are equal. So let's say a side is equals to r centimeter. So if a side is equals to r centimeter, then we can tell that the perimeter a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon has a perimeter of 36 centimeter. Find the length. Find the length of each side. So looking at this question, how do we go about it? A regular hexagon has a perimeter of 36 centimeter. Find the length of each side of the regular hexagon. So thinking of it, regular hexagon suggests that the hexagon has all the sides to be equal. Therefore, let's take a side. Let's say a side is equals to r centimeter. So if a side is equals to r centimeter, perimeter, you know what the perimeter is? The sum of all sides. So perimeter is equals to 6 multiplied by r centimeter. Where did I get 6? Hexagon. Yes, that means the polygon has 6 sides. So the sum of all the sides is multiplied by the length of 1. So 6 multiplied by the length of 1 tells me the perimeter of the hexagon. So if the perimeter is 6 multiplied by r centimeter and the perimeter is 36, so I should equate 36 to 6 r centimeter. So dividing both sides by 6, the r I was looking for becomes 6 centimeter because 36 divided by 6 is 6. So the length of a side of each side is 6 centimeter. Let's take example number 2. So question number 2. Question number 2 says a polygon a polygon has 10 sides. A polygon has 10 sides, and each side and each interior angle measures 144 degrees. Find the measure of each exterior angle. Find the measure of each exterior angle. So a polygon has a 10 side and each interior angle measures 144 degrees. Find the measure of each exterior angle. So this video from the previous video, so you recall that exterior angle and exterior angle are supplementary, meaning that they add up together to become 180 degrees. We say that exterior angle plus interior angle and interior angle is equals to 180 degree. So since the exterior angle, as the question says, since the interior angle says that is 144, so let's say the exterior angle is x and the interior angle is 144, so that is equals to 180. Therefore x is equals to 36 degree. So x, which is the exterior angle, is just 36 degree. So it's as simple as that. Let's take the last question. Question number 3 says, a polygon has exterior angle of 20 degree. If the measure of each interior angle, is 160 degree, how many sides does the polygon have? How many sides does the polygon have? So you can see the question. A polygon has exterior angle of 20 degree. If the measure of each interior angle is 160 degree, how many sides does the polygon have? A polygon has an exterior angle of 20 degree. So if the measure of each interior angle is 160 degree, how many sides does the polygon have? So there is no difficult things to do here. So let's get to the next page. So the solution. So we know that this exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 divided by n, and the exterior angle has been given from the question. It says that if the polygon has exterior angle of 20 degree, if the measure of each interior angle is 160 degree, I don't even know this, or I can also use the interior angle to find the n, how many sides does the polygon have. So I can use the formula for exterior angle, and I as well use the formula for interior angle. So this is where sometimes your examiner gets to know that you copy, because if you should think of using exterior angle formula, another person should think of using interior angle formula, and we are going to use the two, and we are going to see if we are going to have the same answer. So let's use that of exterior angle first. Exterior angle says 360 all over n. So since the exterior angle has been given to be 20, so that's 20 over 1 equal to 360 divided by n. So when we cross multiply, we are going to have 20n equals to 360. So we divide both sides by 20. So 20 cancel 20. The n, that's the number of sides, is equals to 36 divided by 2, that's 18. So the polygon has 18 sides. And if I want to use the interior angle formula, remember the interior angle is equals to what now? N minus 2 multiplied by 180, and it has been given to be 160. So this is 160 equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. When you open this bracket, you have 160 equals to 180n minus 360. So correct like terms, so we have 180n equals to 160 plus 360. So 180n is equals to 520. 520. So we said that the exterior angle is equals to 360 divided by n. That's be since this has been given to be from our previous, from the question, has been given to be 20. So that's 20 equals to 360 divided by n. So when we cross multiply, we have 20n equals to 360. So we divide both sides by 20. Both sides by 20. This cancels this. N is equals to 0 cancels 0. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So the polygon has 18 sides, and that's the final answer. I believe you understood everything we did in this video. Watch out it carefully and make sure you get all the parts of the videos. Bye bye. See you in the next video.